Hi, I am Miss Areola, or Miss A, the elementary music teacher here at Dixon School of the Arts and Sciences. So the biggest change in my classroom for the Corona era is that our usual circle, which is the formation that we usually sit in, will be much more spaced out for social distancing reasons. So I'll show you that right now. So we're going to be sitting in the same arrangement, just a lot more space in between each scholar. There will be pretty much no singing because it's hard to get proper breath support in a mask, and we will not be passing instruments back and forth for like our drum circle. And at the end of every class, we will take the time to sanitize all of the instruments that we used and also our personal seating area. So I look forward to seeing you in school or on the internet. And until then, stay healthy. Bye.